Let's talk labels. Join me. Yesterday, we talked about using labels in our refrigerator in different ways. Labeling bins for storage or labeling our drawers so it's easier for our family to know where things go. But did you know that you could also use labels to encourage healthy eating? Most of the time, whenever we're hungry or our family's hungry, we reach for the easiest and closest thing, a bag of chips or a candy bar or snack bar. Did you know that by taking just a few moments out of your day after grocery shopping to set up a little healthy snack station in your fridge, it's going to make things a lot healthier for your family. It's going to allow them to see those healthy snacks in pre-portioned bags ready for them to grab and eat. Grab some bins that you have, or maybe you have an extra drawer in your refrigerator. Then get your labeler. Say you were at the grocery store this week and you bought a bag of carrots, for example. Grab some little bitty Ziploc baggies and make out some pre-portioned amounts of carrots. Take your little thing, your little labeler, and put snacks on your bin. Then take your pre-portioned bags of carrots and put them in there. When your children or your husband open the door, they're going to see, oh wow, this is a snack bin. This means I can eat these things. Look what's in here. We have some celery. Oh, let me go grab the peanut butter. We have some grapes. I love grapes. We got some carrots. Whatever it is, your family's going to thank you for preparing healthy snacks for them so they don't have to go grab a bag of chips. These are going to be easily accessible to everyone. Now, when your family gets a hunger craving, it's going to be simple and easy for them to grab something healthy. That's what we're going for, especially as parents. We want to teach our children how to eat healthy and how to be healthy and how to be productive adults. And making sure that they have all the nutrients and everything they need is going to help them along the way. So pre-portion your snacks, use your labeler, use some bins, and put them in the fridge. This is also good for snacks that you want to put in your pantry or anywhere. This doesn't just have to be for your refrigerator. Use your labeler, use your small bins, pre-portion some healthy snacks for your family, and let's get healthy. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational, cleaning, and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is a thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.